Hi friends, in this video we have to discuss about multi-rate digital signal processing. I am Professor Vicky Barbudde. Multi-rate signal processing means extend the sampling rate in various parts of the system. There are many cases used in the process in high quality data acquisition and storage system, also used in audio signal processing, in transmultiplexer, narrowband filtering for filter, ECG and EEG. Two sampler used in multi-rate digital signal processing. First, upsampler used to increase the sampling rate by integer factor, and downsampler used to decrease the sampling rate by integer factor. First, suppose you consider upsampler, that is also called as an interpolation. Upsampling is the process of inserting zero value sample between original sample to increase the sampling rate. This is called zero stuffing. Upsampling add to the original signal undesired spectral image which are centered on multiple of the original sampling rate. Interpolation in a DSP sense the process of upsampling followed by filtering. The filtering removes the undesired spectral images. As a linear process, the DSP sense of interpolation is somewhat different from the math sense of interpolation, but the result is conceptually similar. To create in between sample from original sample, the result is as if you had just originally sampled your signal at the higher rate. Why interpolate? The primary reason to interpolate is simply to increase the sampling rate at the output of one system so that another system operating at higher sampling rate can input the signal. What is the interpolation factor? The interpolation factor is simply the ratio of output rate to the input rate. It is usually symbolized by L. So output rate divided by input rate is equal to L. You can remember that L is a symbol of interpolation factor by thinking of interpolation. Then we have to discuss about downsampling, that is called as a decimation. Decimation is the process of reducing the sampling rate. In practice, this usually implies low pass filtering a signal, then throwing away some of the samples. Downsampling is the more specific term which refer to the just process of throwing away sample without the low pass filtering operation. Throughout these, we just use the terms decimation loosely sometimes to means downsampling. What is the decimation factor? The decimation factor is simply the ratio of input rate to the output rate. It is usually symbolized by M, so that input rate divided by output rate is equal to M. You can remember that M is the symbolized by decimation factor by thinking decimation. M will be represent that. Why decimate? The most immediate result to decimate the simply to reduce the sampling rate at the output of one system so a system operating at the lower sampling rate can input the signal. But much more common motivation for decimation is to reduce the cost of processing. The calculation and memory required to implement the digital signal processing system generally is proportional to the sampling rate. So, the use of lower sampling rate usually result in the cheaper implementation. Upsampler. An upsampler with upsampling factor L, where L is a positive integer, develop an output sequence with a sampling rate that L times larger than the input sequence x of n. That will be the block diagram representation of upsampler. X of n upsampling by integer factor L and that will generate the output x of u n. Suppose you consider figure show that upsampling by 3 factor usually sinusoidal signal frequency of 0.12 Hz obtained using. Suppose you consider that will be the input sequence you have provided. You are performing the upsampling by integer factor 3. If you consider this will perform the operation by integer factor 3, that means L minus 1, that L is 3 minus 1, means you have to add 2 extra 0 in between these two samples, 0 point and these, means you have to add 2 extra 0 from this signal to this signal. Same for all signal will be done. Then upsampler x of n is the input, that n is changes to nt, means you have to perform operation on time signal that will change the frequency. Why? Because that frequency is inversely proportional to time signal. The upsampler will perform the integer factor and that will generate the signal x of a nt divided by l, that will be the integer. Then that will generate n is equal to 0, l plus minus 2l and so on, 0 otherwise, that will be the upsampling. Spectrum of the upsampled signal. If you have provided the integer factor l is equal to 2, then that will add extra signal, one signal. Why? Because that 2 minus 1, that is one extra signal will be added here for with respect to l integer 2. Downsampler. Downsampling is the operation implemented by keeping every mth sample in x of n, removing the in between sample to generate y of n. Suppose you have considered that would be the input sequence, then you are performing the decimation operation that will remove the bit downsample by 3. That's why you are removing. Suppose you have considered this will be the all total signal from 0 to this point, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and here you have sample by 3 bit, means you have generated 1 2 3 4 sample, means that will be the 12 divided by 3, that will generate the 4 sample at output, that will perform the decimation, that will be change the sampling rate. Then downsampling factor. A downsampler with downsampling factor m, where m is a positive integer, develop an output sequence y of n with a sampling rate of 1 by m of the input sequence. That will be the downsampler represented by integer factor m. X of n is your input, that will be the output generated with the downsampler. Then example on downsampler. Downsampler x of n is will be the input, downsampler that will provide the decimation factor d, y of n is your output, fy that will be the output generated is equal to input f of x divided by decimation factor. Suppose you consider decimation factor is 2, means dropping d minus 1 sample, you have drop one sample, that will be the d minus 1, that's why dropping one sample, you have removed this sample, then that will generate the output sample will be same as that of your previous sample, but with the effect of decimation. Means suppose you consider that will be the d 1 divided by 2, means that will not perform any operation because that will be the dropping of d minus 1. Then you consider that will be the 2 divided by decimation factor 2, that will generate value 1, and that signal will be shifted on position 1. Then same for 3, that will 3 divided by 2, that will not work because that will be dropping of signal. Then 4 divided by 2, that will generate 2, means that fourth position signal will shift it to the second position. Same for 6, that will be shifted on third position, and so on. If you consider the example on upsampling, fx is your input, upsampling by 2 bit, fy will be the output, that will be the 2 multiplied with input signal, means that multiplier, integer multiplier, where integer factor will be multiplied with a input signal, that will generate the your upsampling process, means you have to add extra 0 l, that will be the integer factor minus 1, means you have to add one extra 0 in between. I minus 1, that will be the 0. Suppose you consider that will be 2. 2 minus 1, that will add 1 extra 0 in between this signal. X of n is your input, this will be the input, and you have add extra 1 0 in 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 with the help of that upsampling process. Then the signal x of n is defined as x of n is equal to a to the power n, n is greater than equal to 0, 0 otherwise. Obtain the decimation by factor 3, obtain the interpolation by factor 3. You have generated the equation x of n is equal to this. When you have put the value from n is greater than equal to 0, then a to the power 0, that is 1, a to the power 1, that is a to the power 2, a to the power 3, a to the power 4, and so on. That will be the input signal. You have performed the decimation by 3, means that will be the comparison will be takes place. Suppose you consider y of n, that will be the output generated with x of 3 multiplied with that position, means that will be the position will provide 0, 3 multiplied with 0, that is x of 0. When output generated y of 0 is equal to x of 0, that is equal to 1, amplitude is 1. Y of 1 is x of 3 multiplied with 1, position 1, n is position 1, that will generate x of 3 is equal to a to the power 3, 3 position a to the power 3, a cube will be there. Then you have performed same operation, y of 2 x of 6 a to the power 6, y of 3 x of 9 a to the power 9, and so on. That will generate your output signal by decimation of 3 factor. Interpolation by 3 means that will be the x of n by 3. You have performed operation, that is y of n, y of 0 is equal to x of 0. Position n is your position divided by 3, that will provide one output. Then y of 3 by y of 3, that will be the generate x of 3 by 3, that will x of 1 is equal to a. Y of 6 divided by 3 means that will generate x of 2 a to the power a square. Then y of 9, that will be x of 9 by 3, that is x of 3 a cube. Means you have to add interpolation by 3, means that will be the l minus 1, that will add 2 0 extra 0 between the input signal. Then the signal x of n defined as x a to the power n, n is greater than 0, 0 otherwise. They obtain decimation signal factor by 3 and interpolated signal by 2. Decimation by, you have to generate first equation, then that will be the graphical representation of signal. Decimation by 3 factor means same operation perform as the previous example. Then interpolation by 2, 2 means l minus 1, you have to add 1 extra 0 in between this signal. If you consider this signal, that will be the n minus n divided by 2, that why x of 0, 2 by 2, that is x of 1, 4 by 2, x of 2, 6 by 2, that is x of 3, and that will generate the output signal x of. Then the signal x of n is defined as x of n is equal to a to the power 2n for this condition. Then obtain decimation by factor 3, the interpolation by factor 2, interpolation by factor 5. First you have to design equation with respect to, suppose you have put n is equal to, n is greater than equal to 0 for this condition, or 0 otherwise, means that will generate the equation, right? You have to draw it in a graphical representation. Decimation by factor 3, same operation you have performed in previous example. Then interpolation by 2, that operation also performed in previous example. Interpolation by factor 5, that will be the x of n by 5, means suppose that will be the multiplier of 5, 0, y of 0, x of 0, that is 0. Y of 5 will be generated when x of 5 divided by 5, means x of 1 value will be put on that position a square. Y of 10, that is x of 10 by 5, means x of 2 will be generated, a to the power 4 x of 50, that will be the generated x of 3 a to the power 6, that will be the your output for interpolation factor 5. Means you have add extra 4 0 in between that signal. Then next problem, that will be signal x of n defined as a to the power n by 3. For this condition, that will generate the equation. Then you have to put this value decimation by factor 2, means multiply 2 multiplied with n. You have generated the value for 2 4 6, that will generate your output. Then interpolation by factor 3 means 3 multiplier of 3, that will be the y of 3 will be generated, x of 3 by 3, that is x of 1. Y of 6 will be generated, x of 6 by 3, that is x of 2. This will be the generated output. Then advantage and disadvantages. Sampling rate conversion is high, it gives more accuracy, that will be the advantages. Then application, compact disc and digital audio. Thank you for listening.